Hi, I'm Lucy and welcome to the Two-Way Radio Shop YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing some helpful tips on how to extend the life of your ATEX battery. If you're looking to get the most out of your ATEX battery, then these tips can be helpful when it comes to general battery maintenance. Before going into the video, I'm just going to give a little bit of background on ATEX batteries and how to get the most out of the battery life. When working in dangerous environments, ATEX devices mainly rely on the batteries, and improper battery care can even shorten the lifespan of the device. That's why battery care is so important, especially if you're working in dangerous high-risk environments. To help prolong your battery's performance, it's always important to avoid overcharging or using non-approved chargers, as this can put unnecessary strain on the device and reduce the capacity, and overall it could potentially damage the devices. Another helpful tip is to store the devices correctly, so this means always storing your devices and the batteries in a cool, dry environment away from any direct sunlight or intense heat. Another important tip is to always charge your radios while they're switched off. Charging these devices where the power is on can strain the battery, causing it to overheat and shorten the device's lifespan over time. Regularly calibrating the battery as well, allowing the device to fully charge up to 100%, will help the device accurately read the charge level. This can prolong the lifespan of the device. At the Two-Way Radio Shop, you can explore the full range today and give your team the tools they need to stay protected. That's the end of the video for today, but thank you all for watching, and I hope this has given you helpful tips on how to take care of your batteries better.